Okay, we're live. So we can get started. Did anyone have any questions about the preparation work or anything else?
Nope.
No.
Nope.
Good. Me either. So we can just log. It's just going to take me 1 second to log in. I've been trying to open everything before we got started, but
Okay.
should just take me 1 second. Sorry.
No, you're fine.
So when I log into this remote server, and then I have to log in to Google, and because it saves all of my stuff,
Uh-huh.
I have to type in my password like 5 different times.
Oh no. That's rough.
It's just really old. Okay, is everybody ready? Everybody in the course already?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm talking for everyone. Everyone's
Yes.
ready.
Yes, we're good.
Perfect. Okay, start quiz. I am in. Here we go. Number 1, I completed individual prep. True. I actively participated in this week's group meeting. True. While you're required to work together, each member must submit his or her own answers. There's the link to the normal probability app. When calculating, round to 3 decimals, but don't round until your calculation is complete. So number 3, the symbol for the true population proportion is which of the following? I don't even know what to call the first P.
Pinata P.
Yeah.
And then P hat or just P?
P.
Yes.
Yep.
For the next 2 questions, suppose n equals 100, p equals 0.25, and p hat equals 0.10. Question 4. The requirements for constructing a confidence interval are satisfied. True or false?
You guys got it?
No.
I'm slow.
You're super quick, huh?
No, you're fine.
I do now.
Okay, I got it. True, I would say true.
Yes,
True.
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 Okay. Number 5, the requirements for conducting a hypothesis test are satisfied.
True. Because aren't they just the same requirements as?
No.
No.
One of them's P and one of them's P hat that you use.
Right.
Oh, okay. I must
Yeah,
have
the
not put that
confidence interval one, you use p hat, and then the hypothesis test is where you use p.
I got the opposite.
Oh, really?
Okay,
Yeah,
I just
actually
didn't
look at
read it close enough.
So I have it written down here. Let's see here. So for the hypothesis, it's just P, and for the confidence interval, it's P hat.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's still true.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
No, you're okay.
You're good.
All right. Use the following information for the next 5 questions. A study of first-degree murder trials was conducted in another state. A random sample of 60 people on trial for first-degree murder was taken. Of these, 45 of the defendants were found guilty. Question 6. Find p hat, the point estimate of the proportion of first-degree murder defendants who are found guilty in this state. Round to 3 decimals. Isn't it just 45 divided by 60?
Yeah.
But I did.
So 0.750?
Yeah.
With 3 decimals.
Do we actually put the 0 or just the 0.75?
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Nice. Create a 95% confidence interval for the true proportion of first-degree murder trials in this state where the verdict is guilty. Input your answers for the margin of error, lower bound and upper bound.
Okay. Oops. Oh gosh, numbers. 60.
Okay, sorry, I am drawing a blank. This is the p hat minus z star, right? That whole long.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Do you actually calculate it out?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do? You don't calculate it out?
I've been using the Excel spreadsheet.
Oh.
Yeah. I haven't had a problem with my calculator, so I kind of stuck with that.
Yeah, my calculator, that's the same with me. It's like if I don't have enough parentheses in there or something, it freaks out on me. So I've been getting the wrong answers on stuff.
Yeah.
Well, that would make it go really fast to use the spreadsheet. I'm going to open that up.
Yeah. I mean, you're still going to have to calculate the margin of error, though.
Mm-hmm.
But that's just subtract the upper from the lower and divide it by 2.
Do you guys have it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have it, Kevin?
Wait, so I do, but I didn't divide by 2.
Oh, for the margin of error, you mean?
Yeah,
Well, you can
but
either
you do
do it
divide by
by
2.
big calculation, or you can do it on the Excel sheet. Then you would have to do the upper minus lower divided by 2. That's what we're just talking about.
Okay. Okay, yeah, I got it. 0.1095 Or,
Yeah,
yeah,
wait.
0.109.
I got
Or
Yeah, I have
0.11.
0.11 also.
0.11.
Okay, yeah, so just with rounding, because I have
Yeah.
0.1098, so that's 0.11.
0.11. That's what, right? That's what you guys
Yeah.
got? Yeah. So the lower bound,
0.640.
yep. And the upper bound,
0.860.
yes.
Sorry, did you? I forgot you were calculating it. So I'm just
No.
like, okay. Sorry.
Don't worry. If you increase the sample size from 60 to 80, what do you expect to happen to the width of the confidence interval?
Decrease.
Yeah. Yeah, it decreases. To conduct a hypothesis test for one proportion, two requirements must be met. Suppose P equals 1/2. What is the smallest n that can be both requirements still be met? Is that weird? Weird? Is that just me?
No.
What is the smallest n can be and both requirements still be met?
What? Oh, thank you. What is the smallest n and both requirements still be met?
Sometimes it's just like rhythm of words, or like, wait, what?
Right? I know, it's crazy.
How did you do this the other night, Kevin? I don't remember. You did it super fast though, and it was like you didn't have to do it out on paper.
So if you look at it just like, so it has to be greater than or less than 10, right? For it to
Yeah.
be, so you just divide 10 by 1/2 or multiply 10 by 2 in this case. And so it's just 20.
Right.
And 20 will work the other way around too.
Yeah, because 1
Okay.
minus 1/2 is 1/2.
Yeah. Okay, because I got 20 the first time, and then I was like, wait, did I do that wrong? And I did 5, and then 5 wasn't working on the other one. Okay. Okay. So 20. I have to remember that. It's super easy.
All right. Question number 12. To conduct a hypothesis test for one proportion, two requirements must be met. Suppose P equals 1/10. What is the smallest n can be and both requirements still be met? So this is the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So 100.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, use the following information for the next 6 questions. For the water quality study in the reading, about 60% of the macro invertebrate water quality indicators have historically been associated with good health. Researchers suspect that water quality in the area has decreased. They conduct a hypothesis test using significance level A equals 0.05 with the following hypotheses. The null P equals 0.6 and the alternative P is less than 0.6. They collect new data, and this time N equals 80 and X equals 38, indicate good health. Question 13. The conditions for conducting a hypothesis test are satisfied. What's that? guys have it?
Yeah.
True.
True?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
What is p hat? Round to 3 decimals. .475.
Yep.
Find the test statistic. Hey, Siri, can you put that room, please? Or turn it over. Thank you.
So your test statistic is just your z-score, right?
Yeah.
Or your
Yeah.
p-value.
Okay, do you guys have it?
Yeah.
What did you get?
Negative 2.282.
Yes. I'll
I mean,
that.
Yep.
negative 2.828. Sorry.
Oh,
I do with that.
Wait, negative. Wait, what did you just say the second time?
Negative 2. Oh, sorry, I typed it in wrong. Good thing I said that out loud. Negative 2.282.
and that's what I got. Negative
Yeah.
2.2.
So when I did it, I did p hat minus p, so 0.475 minus 0.6, and then divided by the standard deviation, which is 0.055.
Right.
Mhm.
But I got negative 2.273. But I know that's wrong. But I like.
So what
Yeah.
I have discovered is that when you do the standard deviation and it gives you that whole like 12-digit decimal,
Yeah.
I put in all of those digits. I don't round it at all. And then it gives me the right answer.
Because there was one problem on the last quiz where you had to round the standard deviation in order to get the right answer in a bigger equation. And so I started rounding it for all of mine. So maybe for z-score you don't, I don't know. But then so for the next one, it's the p-value, and I put my answer in the applet, and I get the right answer for the next one, but not for 15. So
Huh.
I don't know.
Interesting. I don't know. I think if they're asking just for the standard deviation and then you round it off to the 3 decimals, but if you're using the standard deviation in an equation, then maybe don't round it. I don't
Yeah.
know. Like,
So I mean, see what you get for the next one, because I know what the right answer is. I don't know.
all right.
And you're saying it's different than the app or than the Excel?
I'd say I just use I just use the Excel sheet.
haven't been using Excel. I just did my calculator. But
Yeah.
I mean, type. Let's see what the applet says for your answer.
Yeah, let's see.
So is it 0.0112? 0.011?
0.012.
See, and what it's coming up as on Excel is 0.011.
Yeah.
That's what it is when you put it in the normal probability applet too, is 0.011.
Yeah, so I don't know, because I don't think the quiz has a range of numbers that are correct, and it told me I was correct with this one. So I just think it's weird.
It is
That is weird. Well, let me see here on Excel. I guess it.
So you guys are doing it super fast in Excel and just waiting as I muddle through.
Yeah.
Why did you say
But the only reason why is because my calculator is really it's really picky about how I'm putting in the numbers. So
Well, now I'm self-conscious about taking so long to
No, you're fine.
on my paper.
no, you're good.
Yeah. So that's weird that 0.011 isn't correct.
I don't know. Yeah.
I don't know. But I kind of want to put in 0.012 just so we don't have to go through answering them all again.
No.
Yeah, I'm going to submit my second one right now. See what it says. Yeah, so your test statistic is correct and my p-value is correct. Kind of messed up.
Yeah, that makes things a little
so
difficult.
weird.
So, anyways.
I wonder if they do accept a range though on that.
You can definitely try.
That's so weird.
Mm-hmm. I mean, I would be surprised if it did accept a range.
Yeah. It's strange.
And the homework quiz, it's kind of hard. I struggled with it.
Yeah, I did too. I took it.
I was
didn't
like,
do good.
where did some of these come from? Like 6 through 8. I was like, what am I supposed to be doing right now?
Yeah. I agree. Well, what do you guys want to do about that?
That's what I was just going to ask.
We'll just do 0.012.
Yeah, that's fine with 7. Just don't want to have to redo it. We don't have to.
And I would assume that on any test, actual test, that he would go through and see oh, something's, I don't know.
You would think, but
yeah.
On our homework assignment wait, let me make sure I'm telling you guys this right. On our, well, shoot. Which one is it now? There was one that's wrong on here. It's one that I had texted you about, Kelly, and now I can't see it.
On which one?
It might have even been 16. Hold on, let me look. Maybe it was last on lesson 16 instead. Yeah, it was lesson 16. So on our homework assignment, I believe it's the homework assignment. Preparation, actually. Oh no, it is the homework. Sorry, guys. So number 13, it's actually the answers that they have on the answer key is wrong.
For this lesson?
For lesson 16.
Oh, lesson 16?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
The homework?
Yeah, it was the homework. It was number 13.
How do you know it was wrong?
because I got I was getting the wrong answer compared to what they had, and so finally I emailed Daniel, the guy that is our TA for the class, and he tried it, and he couldn't. He kept getting the same answer as me, and so then he emailed Brother Papa, and he was like, "No, that's the right answer. It's just in there wrong." So it's 0.8. It's negative 0.889 and negative 0.889. I mean, and positive 0.889, and then the answer is 3.73.
Oh. That's numbers. I wonder if I'm looking at the wrong thing. Lesson 16, homework, number 13, right?
It's 9 o'clock.
Oh.
Sorry, that was my computer.
Yeah, homework lesson 16. Number 13.
Yeah, I struggled on those ones, but I eventually ended up getting what they had on the paper, but I'm looking at all my scribbled notes now, all my scribbled work, and I don't know what I did. I have to go back and work through it again. What's the answer then?
The right answer is negative 0.889 and 0.889, and then the probability is 3.7 or 0.373.
I'll have to go back and look at that one again. Thanks.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry.
Finish the quiz. We've got 2 more questions.
Oh, let's do it. Okay. Where am I? Here we go. What is the decision for this test? Reject, annul, or fail to reject? Annul,
Reject.
reject. Yep. And question 18, which of the following best summarizes the conclusion of this test? There is insufficient evidence to conclude that water quality in the area has not decreased. There is sufficient evidence to conclude that water quality in the area has not decreased. There is insufficient evidence to conclude that water quality in the area has decreased. There is sufficient evidence to conclude that water quality in the area has decreased.
There's sufficient evidence to conclude the water quality in the area has decreased.
Yes.
I kind of wish I did 0.11 on that one just to see. Okay. So, on to our design the study.
Yeah.
Did you guys have ideas?
So I don't want to do a survey because we have to get like special approval. I don't know if you have to talk about
No, we don't want to either.
Yeah.
that.
No humans.
No.
Like, I don't know how busy you guys are, but I'm literally home all day because I just have 6 classes that I do. And
Oh my gosh.
so I would prefer to like not have to observe anything either. Just do something from home.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that would be ideal.
This sounds good to me too. I don't know. I was thinking maybe something with the weather or something with.
Not bad. But like, I wonder if we have to have a certain amount of data by a certain amount of time. I just don't want to run out of time.
So we have, so next week and the week after is collect the data. So we have 2 whole weeks to collect the data.
So it would be nice if we could, whatever we do, we just need to make sure we have enough time to get enough sample sizes, right?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. So where are you at, Marley? Where do you live?
I am in Idaho. I'm in
Idaho. Oh, okay. And then Julius, is that Julius? Is that his name?
Are we recording right now?
yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
I'll stop the podcast because we don't need to post all of this for the quiz.
That's true.